up, I was a normal kid. My parents were Catholic. I had 2 siblings. I went to school, played sports, had normal friends. There were no signs. There was no demon. It all started when I was a teenager, I think. It's I guess you could call it, you know what I would compare it to? An addiction. That's exactly what it was. First time I thought about it, my mind thought, I wonder what it would be like to try it. And so one day I did, and I kept it a secret. Not even my closest friends or loved ones suspected anything. Why would they? I was me. I was normal in their eyes. I can't explain the feeling. It's like a flutter. It's like sex. It's like the best drug you've ever had in your entire life. And that's what it felt like every time I did it. And once I started, there was no going back.